In this video, we will see how to make a to-do list in Notion. So first we want to have our heading for our to-do list. We click on the plus sign here, and we have three headings. We can choose big, medium, or small. I'm going to choose medium. Then we want to name our to-do list. I'm going to call it to-do list. Then we want to have checkboxes. And as you can see, it'll auto-populate checkboxes, so I can say point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. And I can keep adding points on my to-do list, as many as I need, as many that suits me. Now, with all this, we're going to need a button. So we can take a look here. You can also find it if we go ahead and hit /button. So we have new button. And here, what we're going to do is simply click on Insert Blocks. Then we're going to take our to-do list, copy and paste. So we have everything here. Then we want to name our button. And that's how we can make an easy to-do list in Notion, and how we can integrate it in a button so we can easily utilize that. If you want to know more about amazing AI tools that allow you to write SEO optimized content, then check the video on the left. If you want to know more about another amazing AI tool that can generate captions for videos in seconds, then check the video on the right. If you like this video, then drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a new video.